are now going to load our oil reminder stickers into the Striker 3. So to do that, we want to make sure the printer is off before doing it, and we're going to open up the clamshell. Now in the back, there are these green spindles. We're going to go ahead and take them out and spindle our stickers. Once we have these spindled, pretty quick, pretty easy, we're going to have it go counterclockwise underneath the roll of stickers, and we're going to put it back into the printer. From there, we're going to open up our ink ribbon. That way we can kind of see in there, and there's going to be these two guides that are going to hug the stickers through, and then it's going to rest on the roller. We want to make sure they stay underneath the guides. To close it up, we're going to click the ink ribbon, make sure you hear both sides click, and then the clamshell, and you're ready to turn on your printer.